Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Gautam Kumar. Today I am share how to read TSV file in Python Panda. First of all, I have seen what how look like TSV file here. This is my TSV file, and here you can see here this is order ID, this is column, and this is row. So I want to import or read this data into a Python. Then how I can do that? So first of all, I have opened Jupyter Notebook, and then I have clicked here Jupyter, and then I have simply opened this. After this, I have received this workbook, and I have click here new, and then I have simply click here Python 3, and then you have received this workbook. Okay. Then after that, what I can do, I have simply write, I have simply import here Pandas. So first of all, what I can do to import Panda here, first I have write import Panda as PD, and then I have write here. After that, after this, I want to read see a text file in this. So I have create a container, and I recall pd dot read. I have write here pd dot read csv file here, and I simply go through the file and copy this file, and simply I want to paste here. Okay, and simply run this, and then I want to check how this file look like. Tst, you can see here this file look like this format, but this format is not really good because this format is tsv file. So what I can do here, uh, I can do here, I can use separator. Separate equal to ACP means separator equal to dot this. Then I have run again. Okay, this is also not working. Then I have write this. Okay, uh, okay. Mhm. Wait, T. Okay, separate equal to this. Separate T. Okay, wait. T is not working. Then I have write here T, also not working. Mhm. Okay, wait. Dot है. First, I write this T, and then check. You can see here our required output is here. Like this is order ID, this is column, this is column like order ID, AWB number, total bit, and all, and this is row. So this is look like a proper way. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.